Was really good. Was really good. As you can see, different little setup. And got the charts on, none of that. And obviously by the thumbnail, you can tell it's gonna be a little different of a video as well. And the overall topic, before you try to skip the video, because I'm telling you, this is gonna be the best information, the more important stuff that you need to learn when it comes to truly wanting to succeed in trading, other than the charts and etc. The overall reality of trading is not what it seems. There's a lot of scaminess and BS around the trading community, and a lot of it is just based around the money. Most of the popular big and trading influencers and etc. Most of the stuff that they put out, whether it's on their Instagram or on their YouTube by the thumbnails, it's always money related or related to just the money side, the sports cars and all the cool stuff later on into their trading journey. And that's just what draws people in and ultimately gives them that wrong mindset getting into trading. You get into it thinking specifically about the money, trying to flip this money to make this much money, trying to get the money as quick as possible and try to rush the process. You are ultimately you will either fail and quit, or you are going to spend years upon years until you finally understand that that's not what you should be focusing on until you're able to eventually get that money. Only 1 to 5% of day traders actually succeed and are profitable and have all those things that a lot of people try to put out, which is the cars, the nice house, and all the money. And like 95 to 99% of the other traders aren't profitable, they aren't successful, they haven't done anything. A lot of people see that and they get scared and they try to quit, or they just don't even move forward or none of that, or try to even self-evaluate themselves within their training journey to become that top 1 to 5% instead of being stuck within the 95 to 99% who do fail. The overall reasoning why so many people fail and don't succeed in trading is not because, well, yeah, probably, a little bit because they might just be a bad trader, but overall it's emotions. People try to think that trading is all about the charts, make sure that you have the best strategy and this works, the best win rate, but that's not the overall basis. 80% of trading, and you can probably find this from any influence because they'll probably say it as well. And if not, they know it's the truth. About 80%, if not more, of trading is emotional and psychological. And only 20% of it is, if not less, is legit charts and the strategy and etc. Your emotions are what's going to drive your decisions when it comes to trading. It's what's going to drive your decision on if you take the trade with this in this position, or if you don't take the trade, if you exit the trade early, or if you hold on to the trade, which can all be very good things, but it could also be very bad things. Those can all lead to a great outcome and good profit, or those can lead to a bad outcome and a total loss of all of your money. And if you aren't able to have a strong mindset and be emotionally strong and be disciplined, so following your plan and not allowing yourself to be led by emotions like God says, then moving forward and succeeding in trading is going to take a lot longer than the people who actually do all of those things. And your goals. What are your goals? What is your reason why? Why do you want to trade? Why do you want to become a successful trader? Who are you doing it for, and what are you doing it for? That is what's going to give you that drive to continue trading regardless of how it may look at the moment. Because it's not going to look great your entire journey. Sometimes it'll look a little rough, sometimes it'll look a little great. You just need to be strong and just push through it. And that's where your goals and your reason why come in. A lot of people get into trading because, the money, financial freedom, time freedom, location freedom. If those are your only goals and your only reasons why you want to trade and become successful, you will not last that long in the markets. You need legit goals that will drive you. So your family, paying for maybe medical things with your family, retiring your parents, getting them things that they didn't have, supporting your family, all of those things. Usually it's family related. Whether that's with the family you're trying to build or a family that you have, so your parents and etc. Those are the goals that will genuinely drive you to continue to learn about trading and getting better at trading and be aware of your own self and build off of that and become better and successful and profitable. That's what's going to keep you in the markets. That's what's going to keep you in your place. So then you do all those right things so then you can meet those goals that you want to meet. Some people think that, and some people say you got to spend 5 years. It's going to take 5 years until you're truly successful, but there is no time limit. There really isn't. So from this video, if you truly learn and understand that, okay, the beginning of your journey, so the first maybe 3 months, focus on the charts and trying to get that strategy and get better. But the last 3 months of just practicing, so a total of 6, you need to focus on the emotional side. If you can build a better emotional state and a stronger mindset and better discipline towards following your plan, not trading every day, because not every day is a trade day, not making stupid decisions, emotional decisions, over leveraging and, leveraging all the money in your account on one trade, hoping that it goes in the right way. If you're able to avoid doing all those bad things and those wrong things, knowing that you shouldn't be doing that if you want to succeed in trading, and you do all the right things, then there is no time limit. This is not a money glitch. This is not infinite money. I can't be focusing on the money right now. I need to focus on trading and the journey throughout, so then eventually the money will come in. Because if you focus on the money too early and the only thing you're worried about is the money, oh, I want to make this much money, I'm trying to become rich as possible, and woo. You focus on that too early, you're going to cloud your mind and be completely blind to the fact that you need to learn about actually trading. And if you can't actually trade, then you can't actually make that money. So focus on the now, focus on trading, learning how to trade and become a better trader, build a better mindset and overall just emotional strength and discipline, so then eventually you can get that money. I say, and other people say, you should spend at most 6 months with a demo account, practicing becoming better, building a better mindset, a stronger mindset, an emotional state, and becoming a better trader overall, including the charts. Some people see that and they get scared and they be like, oh, I'm not doing this. That's 6 months. That's too long. I'm trying to get money now. And those 6 months aren't even truly to become a better trader, but primarily just to show how much discipline do you have? How much drive do you have towards this just overall gift and blessing? How much drive do you have towards this to wait that long before you jump to a live account, before you can even possibly touch all that money? That's what waiting those 6 months truly shows, is your overall discipline. And if you're able to spend those 6 months just strictly learning, getting better in every aspect of trading, and you do all those right things on the demo account and you transfer that to your live account, there is no stopping you. There is no telling how quickly you can become profitable. You have a job, as well to fill that account. You save that money to put it into your live account. Once you've done all the right things, become profitable on your demo account, and then transfer that to your live account, your mental state and all that. And from there is no time limit. There is no limit to how quickly you can become profitable and quickly become successful. Now, just because I say you can do it within a year or 2 years compared to some who take 4 to 10 years, doesn't mean you'll be able to do it in a year. I'm not saying you will. So don't try to think, oh, JT said I could do it in a year. No. Is it doable? Yes. Is it possible? Yes. But you need to focus on the right things and do the right things. Because if you cannot do that and you can't understand that because you're too focused on the money aspect, you will not touch the money aspect. And ultimately, you just need to focus on now. You need to focus on the process. You need to trust the process. You need to trust God. You need to be patient, and you need to be disciplined. And if you can do that and you can learn that at an early enough stage into your trading journey, there is no stopping you. There's no stopping you from becoming profitable and successful within a year to 2 years of trading, compared to some who take 5 years or more. The reason why there are so many unsuccessful traders, 95 to 99%, which is a huge number, the reason why some of these traders take 5 to 10 years to even become successful isn't just because they might be a bad trader, but it's because they do not understand and learn their emotional side of their own selves and build better discipline and understand that what I'm trying to say right now, they don't understand that and put that forth at an early enough stage. And they spend all that time, all those 5 years trying to over leverage and get rich quick, or they might quit because, oh, it's not working. It's not that it's not working. It's you that's not working. You are not working hard enough towards it. You are not working hard enough to understand yourself emotionally. You are not working hard enough to build a better, stronger discipline and emotional strength and a mindset towards trading. That's why it's taking you 5+ years to become successful. This is why you keep losing all your trades. This is why you can't become profitable, because you're not focusing on the right things. Again, eventually, later on into your journey, if not now, is when you truly need to start focusing on the emotional aspect. Again, 80% of trading is the emotional and psychological side with yourself. Then the other 20% is charts. It doesn't take that long to understand charts. It does not take that long to understand the strategy and get good off of that. What takes time is building discipline and a strong mindset. That's what causes people to become that 95 to 99% who fail, to become the same people who spend 5 to 10 years just to become profitable. It's because they haven't built that strong enough discipline. They haven't learned that early enough in their trading journey and actually built off of that to become successful in less than 5 years. If you truly want to succeed in trading, then you will take everything from this video and watch the video to the fullest extent and become that. Again, there is no time limit. There is no, you have to wait 5 years or it takes 5 years for you to be successful. No. Some people do it in a year. Some people do it in 2 years. There is no time limit. You save whatever money you have from your job now. You don't quit your job until let trading push you out of your job. Don't just quit immediately. Let that fuel your trading account for your live account. Build that money up. Build a good mindset. Build a better just trading stability and strategy overall. And there is no stopping you. The only thing that is stopping you from becoming a successful trader in less time than some other people, if not most, what's stopping you from being part of that top 1 to 5% of traders who succeed is yourself. You are the only person stopping you. You are the only person keeping yourself from following your plan. You are the only person keeping yourself from not over leveraging, knowing that you shouldn't be using more than what you have in your account. Risking more than 2% max just so you can get more money. You're stopping yourself. You are keeping yourself from striving and growing and building ultimately mentally and physically on the charts. That is all you. So if you can learn early enough within your trading journey to focus on the process and not the outcome, because if you focus on the outcome, you can't pay attention, you can't acknowledge the process. You focus on the money so much, again, that's going to cloud your mind, it's going to cloud your judgment, and you aren't even going to be able to be self-aware to realize, I shouldn't have took that trade. I shouldn't even be trading today, period. I shouldn't have took that sell position. I clearly should have took a buy position. Because you're focused on the money too early, you aren't able to see that. And that's what's going to cause you to quit or spend years and years of giving money to the market and not even getting anything back. So learn this now. Understand this now. And if you can do that and truly build off of that and strive and do the right things, follow your plan, be disciplined, don't take stupid trades, don't be emotional, don't over leverage and risk more than what you have. If you can do that early enough in your trading journey, then that outcome can come earlier than most. Get your screen time, build a better mindset. Like I said, do that for those first 6 months getting into trading. And if you can do that and truly become profitable and successful in that demo account, emotionally and physically, then you can transfer that to your live account. And you can become successful quicker than most. You can become part of that 1 to 5% who do succeed quicker than most. But yeah, you can like, subscribe, go to the gram. Got an 1.5-hour free session on Traders Club. Go look at the bio or in the description. And yeah, and I'll see y'all later.